So I have figured out a couple of things in code.org that we might want to use with the students. First of all, there's some extra lessons that I think I'm going to turn on after all. I told you to not turn them on when we first created the courses because I didn't know what they were, but I think it's a good idea after all. I'll explain. First of all, let me show you what to do. Once you're logged in and you're in your dashboard, you will have to do this to each of your courses. So I'm just going to do it to first period. I don't like them in this order, so I'm going to change them. Anyway, I'm going to just do it to first period real quick to show you. I'm going to click on the gear cog and say edit section details. And right down here, it says enable lesson extras. I like this so that they don't go ahead. It says when lesson extras is on, students will end each lesson with some bonus challenges and creative projects rather than being automatically advanced to the next lesson. It gives the students opportunity to expand their knowledge and further practice without getting ahead of their classmates. So I'm turning it on to yes. I had no, but I'm turning on yes because some kids will want to do it, some won't. I'm not requiring it, but some do want to do it. So I'm turning that on to yes and click save. And you'll just need to do that for each one. Just once again, go to the gear, click edit section details, and choose yes down here. You can leave it off if you don't want it. Okay, I just think it's a good idea. The other thing I wanted to show you, I couldn't figure out how to assign certain lessons to them in order so they don't go ahead, and I realized this. Okay, you are going to, you're going to click on a class that you want. Open one of the classes. You'll have to do this the same for all the classes. But once you open it, right here where it says lessons attempted in Express Course 2020, just click on Express Course 2020 to open the course and the lessons. And once it's opened, you're going to notice right over here, it takes a minute to load, but you're in teacher view. You can see, you can also view it as a student. You can view each individual student. But anyway, right over here for each one, you're going to notice that it has a visible and a hidden bar. And so what I would do is go through and hide all of them and just make each one visible each day that you want to do so they can't go ahead. Okay, so for example, my kids are now on lesson 4 today, so I unhid it, I made it visible, but all the rest of them you can tell I went down and made hidden so they can't see them, and it looks like this to them. Instead of the entire thing, it stops at 4 so that they can't go ahead. So anyway, those two things are going to help a lot.